guys, good morning. My name is Shubham Gudwal and my today's topic is array list and linked list method. Array list, first of all, array list and linked list are both implements list interface and maintains instructions order. Both are non-synchronizations classes. However, there are many differences between array list and linked list that are given below. Array list internally use a dynamically array store the elements. Second, manipulations with array list is slow because it internally use an array. If any elements is removed from the array, all the bits are shifted in the memory. An array list class can act as a list only because it implements list only. Array list is better for storing and accessing data. Linked list internally use doubly linked list to store the elements. Manipulation with linked list is faster than array list because it uses doubly linked list, so no bit shifting is required in memory. Linked list class can act as a list and a queue both because it implements list and decom interface. Linked list is better for manipulating data and example of array list and linked list. First example, public static void main of string arrays list string equals to new array list string a dot add Shubham, a dot add Bhushan, a dot add Rahul, and then print. And second one is list adding the list is an example of array list and linked list. Okay. Second, and then Java list. List in Java provide a faculty to maintain the order collection is the content the index space and the elements it can have the duplicates elements. Also we can also store the null elements in the list. The list interface is found in the java.util.package and interface the collection interface. It is a factory of listener interface. Third, the listener we can interface list forward and backward destruction. The implements classes of list interface are array list and linked list. A stack of vector, the array list and linked list are widely used in the Java programming. The vector classes and is deprecated since Java last interface. And then Java list method wide add index in elements. It is used to insert the specified elements and the specified positions in the list. Okay, boolean add it is used to append the specific elements at the end of a list. Boolean add all collections extend e greater c. It is used to append all of the elements in the specified collection to the end of list. Boolean add int index collection less question marking extended e greater c. It is used to append all elements in the specified collection starting at the specified positions of the list. Void clear. It is used to remove all of the elements from the list. Boolean equal objects O. It is used to compare the specified object with the elements of a list. In the hash code, it is the code to return the hash code value for a list. get in the index. It is used to fetch the elements from the particular positions of the list. Boolean is empty. It returns true if the list of empty, otherwise a false. Int last index of object O. It is used to return the index in this list of the last occurrence of the specified elements, or first if the list does not contain these elements. Object to array. It is used to return an array containing all the elements in this list, the elements correct order. Okay. T less t greater t to array t of array of t a. It is used to return an array containing all of the elements in this list of in the correct order. Boolean contains objects O. It returns if the list contains the specified element. Boolean contains all collection less question greater c. If the list contains all the specified elements in index of objects O. It is used to return the index in this list of this list of first occurrence of the specified elements, or one if the list does not contain these elements. Remove index. It is used to remove the elements present at the specified positions in the list. Boolean remove objects O. It is used to remove the first occurrence of the specific elements. Boolean remove all collections less question greater c. It is used to remove all the elements from the list. Void replace all summary operators greater e operators. It is used to replace all the elements from the list with the specified elements. Void return all collection. See, it's used to return all the elements in the list that are present in the specified collections. E set index e elements. It is used to replace the specific elements in the list present at this specified position. Void sort comparators super e. It is used to sort the elements of the list on the basis of a specific comparator. Splitter is splitter. It is used to create splitter over the element in a list. List E sublist into format in the index. It is used to fetch all the elements list within the given range in size. It is used to return the number of elements of the position list. How to create list? The array list and linked list class provide the implements of list interface. Let's list string list equals to new array string. Okay, creating a string list integer list new array integer. Okay, create on list type book using array list.